Potential hazards in school and university laboratory. Before we are going further on this topic, we should know about the definition of hazards and laboratory. For definition, what is laboratory? A laboratory is a room or building with scientific equipment for doing scientific tests or teaching science, or a place where chemicals or medicines are produced. Next, what is hazards? According to the Department of Occupational Safety and Health Malaysia, hazards means a source or a situation with potential harm in terms of human injury or ill health, damage to property, damage to the environment, or a combination of these. Hazard also can be classified into several categories, such as biological, chemical, ergonomic, physical, and psychosocial. Next, we move on to potential hazard in a laboratory. First, fire or explosions. In a laboratory, all chemicals and liquids should be treated as if they are as potent as gasoline. Vapors can travel long distance and may ignite if they reach a flame or spark. Second, thermal and chemical burns. Many chemicals, both organic and inorganic, may be flammable or corrosive to the skin and eyes. It is important to exercise caution with chemicals to prevent spills and splashes. Third, skin absorption of chemicals. Keeping chemicals away from direct contact with the skin is fundamental in laboratory safety. Even if chemicals are not corrosive, exposure can cause allergic reactions or other problems if absorbed by the skin. Fourth, inhalation of toxic fumes. Many common solvents are extremely toxic if inhaled, and inhalation of certain chemicals severely can irritate membranes in the eyes, nose, throats, and lungs. Fifth, cuts to the skin. Cuts to the skin are one of the most common type of laboratory accidents. In severe cases, nerves and tendons may be severed. Often, these injuries occur as a result of attempting to force a cork or rubber stopper into a piece of glass tubing, thermometer, or distilling flask. 6. Slips, trips, and fall. Slips, trips, and fall are the most common cause of accidents in schools. This can cause both minor injuries such as sprains and bruising, and major injuries such as incapacitation or even death in severe cases. 7. Manual handling. The main causes of manual handling injuries are adopting poor posture, lifting loads that are too heavy, stooping over children's desks. Lastly, work at height. Work at height is a work in any place where if precaution were not taken, a person could fall, a distance liable to cause personal injury. Some of the causes of work at height injuries in schools, including using faulty or inappropriate equipment, such as using a chair instead of a step ladder, lack of training, and hanging up artworks or displays.